The ultimate Italian pasta bake, Pasta Forno Perfection. Craving a comforting, crowd-pleasing dish? Look no further. We're diving into the delicious world of Pasta Forno, the ultimate Italian pasta bake that's guaranteed to become a family favorite. Pasta Forno, meaning oven-baked pasta in Italian, is a hearty and flavorful casserole. It features perfectly cooked pasta, a rich sauce, and a generous layer of cheese, all baked to golden perfection. It's a versatile dish that can be customized with your favorite ingredients. Think of it as a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need pasta, penne, rigatoni, or ziti roulette, ground meat, beef, pork, or a combination, onion, garlic, tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, eggs, and Italian seasoning. Fresh basil and parsley will add a vibrant touch. Don't forget olive oil, salt, and pepper to season everything perfectly. First, brown your ground meat in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Drain off any excess grease. Add chopped onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Then, add minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Bring to a simmer, then reduce heat and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. While the sauce simmers, cook your pasta according to package directions. Be sure to cook it al dente, as it will continue to cook in the oven. Drain the pasta well and set aside. We don't want soggy pasta in our bake. In a separate bowl, combine ricotta cheese, eggs, Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley, salt, and pepper. Mix well until everything is evenly combined. This ricotta mixture adds a creamy and cheesy layer to our pasta bake. It's a key component of the dish. Now for the fun part, assembling our pasta forno. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Grease a large baking dish, 9 by 13 inches, with olive oil. This will prevent the pasta from sticking. In a large bowl, combine the cooked pasta with the meat sauce. Toss to coat evenly. Pour half of the pasta mixture into the prepared baking dish. Spread evenly. Dollop half of the ricotta mixture over the pasta. Then sprinkle with half of the mozzarella cheese. Repeat layers with the remaining pasta mixture, ricotta mixture, and mozzarella cheese. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and golden brown. Let the pasta forno rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to settle and the cheese to cool slightly. Garnish with fresh basil leaves for a pop of color and flavor. Serve hot and enjoy. Pasta forno is delicious on its own, but it also pairs well with a side salad or garlic bread. It's the perfect dish for a family dinner, potluck, or special occasion. Feel free to customize your pasta forno with your favorite ingredients. Add vegetables like mushrooms, bell peppers, or spinach to the meat sauce. Use different types of cheese such as provolone or fontina for a unique flavor. You can also add cooked sausage or meatballs to the pasta bake. For a vegetarian version, omit the meat and add more vegetables. Use a vegetable-based sauce instead of meat sauce. Congratulations, you've learned how to make the ultimate Italian pasta bake. This comforting and flavorful dish is sure to impress your family and friends. Now it's your turn to get in the kitchen and create your own pasta forno masterpiece. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Ready to elevate your cooking skills even further? Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Like this video and leave a comment below sharing your favorite pasta forno variations. Click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Let's get cooking!